Want to rotate your image and get the perfect orientation? Here's how. First, open the image in the Befunky editor. On the left-hand toolbar, select the Rotate tool. You can either drag the slider to rotate the image or click the rotate icons to turn it 90 degrees clockwise or counterclockwise. Once you are happy with the rotation, click Apply to save the changes. If you want to rotate in smaller increments, hold down the Shift key while dragging the slider for more precise control. Do you rotate your images often or just when you need to? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.